Hey guys, Keith here. In this video we're going to continue on from part 2 in this DIY bathroom remodel and address the remainder of this rough-in plumbing. Let's get to it. So the unit that I chose, there's actually nothing built in that goes behind the wall. It's actually just threads into both lines with a threaded fitting, and everything is actually part of one unit that sits outside of the finished wall. And then once we're done sorting that out, we're going to move on to connecting the rough-in water lines that I've run into my water manifold where the main water line comes in. Let's get started. Okay, so I've sorted out what I'm going to do for the rough-in at the end. I'm going to take a 90-degree fitting and a threaded fitting and put them at the end, and then it's going to stub out pretty cleanly. But I'm not going to finish off the end yet. I'm going to leave that exposed until later, probably until the wall is finished, because I can have a cleaner seal around the pipe that comes out of the wall and the tile eventually. What I'm going to do is just put a temporary cap on the end so I can have the water on and make sure I don't have a leak somewhere. And hopefully the inspector's happy with that. So we're going to put that in now. Alright, so we have our stub outs for our shower control installed. At the end I've got some SharkBite quick pipe caps on there so I can take them off after the fact if I need to. So that's it here. So we're going to go to the manifold now and finish the install. Here we are at the manifold. It's a little bit tight in here, but basically all we have to do is connect these 4 lines here into the manifold. 2 on the hot, 2 on the cold, and we're basically done. We can turn the water back on. So let's do that. Okay guys, so that went pretty well. I lost a little bit of footage there at the end for the last two fittings, but it's pretty straightforward. It's the same as the other two, so you can imagine it happening as you're watching. The next step here is going to be to get this plumbing inspected so that I can move on, make sure everything's all good. If anything has to be fixed, we're going to fix it, and it's probably going to be in the next video. If not, if everything's all good, then we're probably going to move on to drywall in the bathroom and go from there. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see what's coming up next. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one in part 4. See you later.